Using addition and subtraction equations. Solve. Mr. Bertoli's cat Samantha ate haddock fillets. Now there are only 16 fillets left on the counter in his fish store. How many fillets were on the fish counter before Samantha ate the fish? Let M be the total number of fish. So the total number of fish equals M, and we're going to subtract the number of fish the cat ate, which we know that Samantha ate 7. So we're going to take away 7. And now there are only 16 left. So what's left equals 16. So this gives us our equation. And to solve, we're going to add 7 to both sides of our equation, which they don't really show you here, but you added 7 to both sides. And that cancels each other out. And M is going to equal 23. And you got that because you added 16 plus 7. Question number 2. 62 sixth graders take music lessons. There are a total of 115 sixth graders. How many sixth graders do not take music lessons? Let M be the number of students who do not take lessons. Now, before we look at what they have here, we want to think about this problem. We have students who do take music lessons plus students who do not take music lessons. And when we add them together, we get the total number of students in 6th grade. So that's our basic formula. All right, so let's find our information. We know that the students who do take lessons equal 62 because it's written right here. 62 6th graders take music lessons. So we have 62. We're going to add them to the students who do not take lessons. We don't know what this is because that's actually our question. How many 6th graders do not take music lessons? So that's actually our question, all right? So we're going to put a variable in there, M. And we were told that the total number of 6th graders is 115. So that's here. So this is basically our equation. It's very simple. To solve, we're going to have to subtract 62 on both sides. Add 62, subtract 62 cancels each other out. And we have M equals 115 take away 62. 5 take away 2 is 3. And 11 take away 6 is 5. So we have 53 6th graders do not take music lessons. Question 3. George bought a poster of the Dallas Cowboys for $18.63, including the tax. The tax was 96 cents. What was the cost of the poster without tax? Let W be the cost before tax. So let's come up with our basic equation. We have the cost of the poster plus tax equals the total cost. We don't know the cost before tax, so we don't know the cost of the poster. That's going to be W. We do know that the tax was 96 cents. And we do know that the total cost was $18.63. So now we can solve our problem. We're going to subtract 96 cents from both sides. We're going to have to borrow. 13 take away 6 is 7. I'm going to borrow again. 15 take away 9 is 6. Bring down the decimal point. 7 take away 0 is 7. And 1 take away nothing is 1. So the original cost before tax, the poster cost $17.67. Question number 4. Last summer, Archie read 8 more books than Paige read. He read a total of 15 books. How many books did Paige read? Let F be the number of books Paige read. Now, for some problems that might be sequential here, we can just start with each sentence. So let's start with the first sentence here. Last summer, Archie read 8 more books than Paige read. So I'm going to say that Archie what Archie read equals what Paige read plus 8. Okay? Now, he read a total of 15 books. All right, so now I'm going to take out Archie and substitute 15 because I actually know that he read 15. So now I have 15 equals Paige plus 8. How many books did Paige read? Let F be the number of books Paige read. So I'm going to take out the word Paige and I'm going to write 15 equals F plus 8. So that's actually going to be my problem. Now to solve this, I do subtract 8, cancel each other out. F equals 15 take away 8. And that equals 15 take away 8 equals 7. So Paige read 7 books. Question number 5. Rhoda bought a hairdryer on sale for $16. She saved $5 off the regular price. What was the regular price? Let G be the regular price of the hairdryer. So now we have what she spent plus $5 is going to equal the original cost. Because what she spent is actually the sales price. Okay, so she got a discount of $5. So what she spent plus $5 is going to be the original cost. Now, we know that she spent $16, so I can write $16 here, plus the $5 is going to equal G, the original cost of the hairdryer. Okay, so we just add those together. 16 plus 5 equals 25 equals G. Now, somebody else might have written it like this. The original cost subtract $5 equals $16. So then you could just add $5 to both sides. And you would get G equals $25. So either way, the original price of the hairdryer was $25. The original price of the hairdryer was $25.